Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During the Dragon Boat Festival, Hakka people eat ginger as well as eggplant, string beans, plums, and peaches. All these foods symbolize longevity and health. Some believe eating eggplant prevents mosquito bites, while plums symbolize the blessing of children. As for string beans, some think that if you eat them, snakes won't bite you because string beans are shaped like snakes.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係林澤修。And this whole month, we're talking about the Dragon Boat Festival, or Icrt.
Icrt.
Okay, that is Dragon Boat Festival, 也就是端午节. And we all know that we need to eat dumplings, and there's the Dragon Boat, race. But there's got to be a lot of other things the Hakka do. 是不是有其他的東西你們會吃啊，或者其他事情會做？
Icrt一定要吃鹹粥嘛，一定要吃粽粽子。
粽子。
那還有在苗栗有一些很特別的東西要吃，
像什麼？
就要譬如說吊菜葉。
吊菜葉是什麼東西？
你就聽那個名字，就是吊菜，就是吊在樹上的菜，它就是茄子。
茄子。哎呀，Leo要考我的這個知識啊，農業知識是不是？對，沒錯。Eggplants. Okay, so you guys eat eggplants for Dragon Boat Festival. 有沒有什麼特別原因？
因為吊菜葉它的名字那跟那個被蚊子叮到門內吊到那個音很像
哦。再講一次，
吊菜葉。
Okay, by eating 吊菜葉 that's eggplant, you won't be 吊，就是被叮的意思，是不是？
門內就唔會吊你。
It's actually very interesting. It sounds like getting bitten by a mosquito. So they believe that by eating more eggplants during this time of the year, you can prevent yourself from getting bitten by mosquitoes.
還有呢就吃長條葉。
又是另外一個東西，長條葉，
很長的豆子。
豆子，長豆。都是 Asian green beans. Okay.
因為長豆嘛，你就想那個形狀跟什麼很像，可是夏天很常會看到的動物。
那是什麼呢？蛇。
對，就是蛇。
OK， 也是要為了防止被蛇咬那樣子。Very interesting thoughts right here again, because the Asian green bean is very long and it actually looks like a snake, and they believe that by eating this, again, preventing yourself from being bitten by snakes. Let's review these terms. Again, 茄子 eggplant.
吊菜葉
and then 長豆 which is the Asian green beans.
長條葉
and being bitten 被咬。
門內吊到
就是 mosquito bite. 那如果是蛇的話，
撒狗
啊，撒狗啊，
蛇哥
撒狗 that's bitten by a snake. So there you have it. That's today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.